Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and use any brand logos on Canva. So here, if you want to add a logo, for example, logo YouTube, logo Apple, or maybe Android or anything, can just easily find it on Elements actually, but in Elements there are limited options. For example, here I'm going to find Instagram. You can see that the logos in here is like an old logo of Instagram, so this is not a pretty new one. So if you want to easily add the logos, you can use this app, Brand Patch. If you cannot see it in here, you can find it on the apps in here on the left panel, and then you can just find it by clicking on the search bar, this one, Brand Patch. Sorry, Brand Patch. Okay, this one, you can just open the app here. By using the app, you can have access to millions of logos, colors, fonts, and more. So you can just click on open, and here you can just enter the brand or the URL name. So here, for example, I'm going to find an Instagram logo in here. Okay, you can just add the address or type in Instagram, and there you go. This is the newest Instagram logos. You can just choose which one to use. For example, this one, you can click on the logo, and just like that, the logo will be automatically add to your canvas. You can add more than one. For example, I'm going to find, let's try CapCut. I can find here. Okay, so there you go. This is the CapCut logo. So that's how you can easily add logo using the brand fetch feature or apps in Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.